Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin, and on this channel we talk about things from vlogging all the way to technology. So today we're going to be doing another review on some tech, and this is one of the things I'm really excited about. I was actually looking for something like this just because I need it for my slider, and I was extremely blown away with how amazing this product is. So today we're going to be talking about the Sinnofoto Q2. This is the fully fluid head, ball head, humongous tripod head mount, ball head mount. Okay, so I did want to go over a few things on this about specifications about this product. I did want to show you guys that this thing is pretty massive. You can put it in a large number of tripods. It does have a fluid head and a lot of controllability with that. The reason why I wanted this so much is because I wanted to use this on my slider, but at the same time I wanted to use it on my extra tripod that I have available. So I'm gonna go ahead and read off the specs for this guy. This guy is made up of a magnesium aluminum alloy. The ball diameter is 1.4 inches. The height is 3.6 inches. It weighs about 0.86 pounds. The pan is 360 degrees. The ball head allows you to drop down to a 90-degree angle for your camera, and it's pretty much compatible with any DSLR or video camera available. It's a very, very massive, extremely heavy industrial size tripod mounting head. This is probably the largest ball head mounting head that I've seen, and the weight of it is pretty heavy. It's almost a pound, so it's definitely weighing in there. The cool key features that I did want to show you guys on this is it does have a few areas where you can use the dials. This right here has the leveling dial on there, which a lot of tripods don't have, including my GorillaPod Joby head. It just does not have that. My other one, the cheap version, has it, but it's all right. This one has it built into the side plate. And then when you go to the 90-degree angles with this guy, you also have the ability to do that. You have the ability to dial it in right there using the bevel head. So as you're sitting this guy on a right angle, you can level it using this little bubble on the top if your camera's at a 90-degree angle. Now, if you probably looked at this thing too, you probably noticed that it has not only 1, 2, 3, but 4 little knobs here. The first one, this is going to be removing the base plate which you mount your camera on. The second one is to turn off and on the ball head adjustment, like so. And then the third one allows you to dampen the ball head adjustment, which gives you less or more slack on the speed at which you can adjust this. So this is, in my opinion, really good because you don't get that with the Joby GorillaPod Focus. As soon as you turn this big knob, the thing will just automatically jump down. And if you have an expensive DSLR or another camera, that's a very, very good safety feature to be able to have, to turn that up and down, so that if you want to turn that, you can just use a little bit of pressure and turn it as you go. So that's nice. Really good job on that, Sinnofoto. I think that's really amazing that you guys did that. You really thought ahead and really kept the cameras in mind when doing that. Then this last fourth one, you have the ability to adjust the dampening on the fluid head mount, and that is exactly what we're gonna do here. Now, you guys are probably wondering why I would pick this over top of the Joby GorillaPod head. It's simple. I pretty much went over all the cool features, and I'm just gonna reiterate everything that I just said and show you. So the Joby GorillaPod Focus has these 2 knobs. One is to adjust the fluid head wheel. You don't really have the ability to dampen that, so you just slowly turn it down. You can adjust that, I guess. And then you have this third one, which allows you to adjust the ball head. But like I said, you have to be very careful if you have a DSLR on here, because if it does, it can automatically just drop down like that really fast and cause your camera to be in a high impact situation. You can have it against the wall, boom, it bumps into that. You don't want that. And then you have your base plate knob, which is essentially the same thing. Now the reason I would get this over this, because the price of the Joby GorillaPod head is about the same price as this, which is about $40 to $50, and you don't get the same functionality out of this guy as you would this one. This one is a lot bigger, but it'll actually fit on here just as easily as the Joby GorillaPod head, and I'll go ahead and pull it off and show you guys what it looks like. So we're going to take this guy, pull out the part that's in here. This is the adapter so that it can fit my other tripods. And as you can see, it mounts amazingly. It's exactly as it should be. The ball head is super tight and snug. And then you have the same capability, but with extra features. You have the fluid head adjustment. You have the ball head dampening. So you can tighten that really nice and slow. And then you can tighten that as well. Well, there you have it, guys. That is a Sinnofoto Q2 ball head review. I really do like this thing. It's going to be used in all of my videos. One of my favorite things that I'm doing right now is just reviewing things that I would use and I think you guys would enjoy, and this is definitely one of them. If you're considering looking up a fluid head mount or something for videography or photography that you want to use that's versatile, definitely look into this guy. It's super compact compared to other tripod heads, and you can definitely use it in most or all situations. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I did want to mention that this guy actually comes with a pretty cool little bag for your tripod. I don't know if I'll be leaving this in the bag because I'm going to mount it on a tripod, but hey, that's pretty cool. It's a nice little rubberized fabric. You can tuck it in there, keep it nice and clean, or you can put your lenses in there. Either way, it's a cool bag. Thanks, Sinnofoto. You guys are rock. You guys are awesome. Also, before you leave, definitely make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.